In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Ecwid for beginners in 20 Wave. If you're new to the world of e-commerce or you're considering setting up your online store, then you've come to the right place. Ecwid is a powerful platform that enables anyone to establish and manage an online storefront with ease. So let's walk through the process of getting started. First off, you want to visit the Ecwid website. That's your starting point. Simply open your browser and type in ecwid.com. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. You'll notice it's designed to showcase how easy it is to set up your online store. Now, look for the Sell option on the page. Clicking on it will lead you to a detailed section where you can understand the various selling tools and features that Ecwid offers. This part is crucial, especially if you're interested in how to get your products directly to your customers seamlessly. Spend some time exploring this to get a broader idea of how Ecwid can meet your specific selling needs. Next, navigate over to Simplify. Here, you'll see options that can streamline your daily store operations. Simplifying processes can save you time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. This is particularly important for beginners who might find the initial setup phase overwhelming, as Ecwid offers several built-in tools to help guide you through. Now let's click on Grow. This section is all about how Ecwid supports your business expansion, offering insights and strategies that help your store thrive. As you are planning to scale up your operations in the future, this information is invaluable. Afterwards, it's time to head to the Resources section. Ecwid provides numerous resources aimed at helping you make informed business decisions. Look for articles, tips, and community discussions that can enhance your knowledge and empower you to run your store effectively. As you explore these sections, you'll learn that Ecwid is truly adaptable for any stage of your business journey. Whether you're just starting or you're looking to expand, Ecwid offers scalable solutions and tools that are trusted by businesses worldwide. In addition, one of the key features is the ability to automate store management. Automation can significantly reduce the manual labor required, streamlining tasks such as inventory management and order processing, making this a more efficient endeavor for new store owners. And don't forget to make use of the resources which are specially curated to assist you in making better business decisions. These resources are often up to date with the latest trends and practices in e-commerce. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Ecwid. Dive into this robust e-commerce platform and take the first step towards successfully running your own online store. Happy selling!